Adding similar fractions. Milk base with Sir Ren. Learning goal. Add simple fractions and mixed numbers without or with regrouping. Our word problem of the day. Christelle painted 2/8 of a large rectangle blue, 3/8 yellow, and 2/8 green. What part of the rectangle did she end up painting? Para ma-visualize natin yung problem, gagamit tayo ng block model approach. Makikita natin sa diagram na yung rectangle ay hinati natin sa 8 equal parts. Yung 2 parts kinulayan ng blue ay katumbas ng 2/8. Yung 3 parts naman na kinulayan ng yellow ay katumbas ng 3/8. At yung 2 parts na kinulayan ng green ay katumbas naman ng 2/8. Kung bibilangin natin yung shaded parts na kinulayan, ito ay katumbas ng 7/8. Therefore, Christelle painted 7/8 of the large rectangle. Steps in adding similar fractions. Step 1. Add all the numerators. Step 2. Copy the denominator. Step 3. Add all the whole numbers if it is mixed numbers. And step 4. Reduce your final answer to its lowest term. Dito, tatandaan natin na kapag simple fraction lang ang addends o yung i-add natin, skip natin yung step 3. Examples. 7/10 plus 1/10. Step 1, add the numerators. So, i-add natin yung numerators. Yung 7 plus 1 equals 8. Then, step 2, copy the denominator, which is 10. So, we have 8/10. Ang 8/10 ba ay nakasimplify na? Tama, hindi pa. Dahil ang numerator at denominator ay parehong composite numbers, ibig sabihin, pwede pa silang i-factor out. So, step 3 tayo, simplify the fraction. So, yung 8 and 10, i-divide natin sa kanilang common factor or GCF, which is 2. 8 divided by 2 equals 4, and 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So, the lowest term of 8/10 is equal to 4/5. Another example, 3/9 plus 4/9 plus 5/9. So, step 1, add the numerators. We have 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 12. Then, step 2, copy the denominator, which is 9. Kapag ang lumabas sa sum or sagot sa addition ay improper fraction gaya ng 12/9, kailangan natin itong i-simplify o kunin ang lowest term. At ang gagamitin natin ay ang long division. So, step 3, simplify the fraction. So, we have 12 divided by 9 equals 1. Then, 1 times 9 equals 9. Then, subtract. 12 minus 9 equals 3. So, 12/9 is equal to 1 and 3/9. So, makikita natin na yung 3/9 ay hindi pa naka-lowest term or nakasimplify. So, isi-simplify natin ito using continuous division. So, we have 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So, the lowest term of 1 and 3/9 is equal to 1 and 1/3. Okay, another example. We have 6 and 7/18 plus 5 and 17/18. Since mixed fraction ang addends natin, magiging 4 steps tayo dahil kasama sa i-add ang whole numbers. So step 1, add the numerators. We have 7 plus 17 equals 24. Then step 2, copy the denominator, which is 18. Step 3, add the whole numbers. So we have 6 plus 5 equals 11. So we have 11 and 24 over 18. Pareho sa nauna, sa paglalowest term, minsan 2 methods ang gagamitin. But generally, long division ang una. Then, kapag parehong composite number, ang numerator at denominator, saka tayo gagamit ng continuous division para sa final answer. So, step 4, simplify the fraction. So, we have 24 divided by 18 is equal to 1. Then, 18 times 1 is equal to 18. Then, subtract. 24 minus 18 is equal to 6. So, we have 11 plus 1 and 6 over 18. So, yung 6 and 18, atin munang i-divide sa kanilang GCF, which is 6. So, we have 6 divided by 6 equals 1, and 18 divided by 6 equals 3. So, we have 1/3. So, we have 11 plus 1 and 6 over 18 is equal to 12 and 1/3. Okay, another example. We have 5 and 6 over 12 plus 1 and 7 over 12 plus 2 and 4 over 12. So, step 1, add the numerators. We have 6 plus 7 plus 4 is equal to 17. Then, step 2, copy the denominator. So, we have 12. Then, step 3, add the whole numbers. We have 5 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 8. So, we have 8 and 17 over 12. Step 4, simplify the fraction. So, we have 17 divided by 12 is equal to 1. Then, 1 times 12 is equal to 12. So, 17 minus 12 equals 5. So, we have 8 plus 1 and 5, 12. So, the answer is 9 and 5, 12. Napansin nyo ba na long division lang ang ginamit sa paglalowest term? Okay. Dahil improper fraction yung kasama ng whole number, then after nating ilowest term, 5, 12 na ang nakuha. Ibig sabihin, hindi na natin sila pwedeng i-divide ng sabay kasi yung 5 ay prime number at yung 12 ay composite. Wala silang common factor. So, 9 and 5, 12 is the final answer.